it's either gonna go fast or it's gonna drift.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, I'm gonna have fun either way.
good.
Yeah.
And then 60.
Ah!
There you go.
Dang.
So Chad did, oh look at that, you did it by a considerable amount. Get that thing in the 59s.
Oh, I know, dude. I was like, dude, that felt good. And dude, dropping that tire pressure helps.
Yeah.
That helps.
Yeah.
That helped me. I kept it in second.
Okay.
I was like, whatever happens, happens, man. I turned it off. I was like, it's either gonna go fast or it's gonna drift.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, I'm gonna have fun either way. And it actually, I pedaled it just a little bit coming out of the first and the second turns, that tight chicane. And it hooked, man.
Nice.
Probably the back-to-back runs. It helped keep the heat in the tires.
Yeah.
A little bit. That's sick, dude. That was.
Was it 59 what?
5907.
5907.
So I went from a 60, the last best, 6048 to a 59.0.
Nice.
That's a big jump.
Yeah.
I was almost dead even with that 2017 Camaro.
Yeah.
Almost dead even times.
Yeah.
It would be cool to see.
That's
like
cool.
The standings all on like one page.
Yeah. Yeah.
S1. Ah, I beat the Hyundai Genesis.
Nice.
Finally. Jeez,
Oh, he's right there. There's the Hyundai Genesis.
Dude, I just beat him by half a second.
He's got tires, wheels, brakes.
Big wang.
Big wang.
I think the next upgrade would be some C5Z06 shocks. Yep. And sway bars. Yep. And dude.
That's not bad for a couple stock cars. So you got your goal, 59.
I did not think that was going to happen at the beginning of the day. I was a 70, started the day off as a 73.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, not knowing never been on this track before, didn't know where to go. I'm like almost turning the wrong way.
When I was at the hard left, you can't see anything.
And there's missing a cone.
Yeah, yeah,
on the right side.
Yeah.
You're like, maybe I'm supposed to go this
dude,
way.
that's what I thought.
Nope, it's the left. I almost made a wrong turn there.
I did too.
It was just struggling. Just got to the low 60s, and it was like, you know, and then you mess up once.
Yeah.
But I always knew there was always a mess up when it was down in the 60s. I'm like, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not bad for 205